Okay, Tom. So tell me, Tom, what advice would you give the father who finds out his wife wants a divorce?
Well, I think the first thing to say is uh, if she wants a divorce, this isn't the first time she's thinking about it. So even if it's a surprise to you, it's certainly not something that she's taking lightly.
Hmm.
And so to take it very seriously, and I don't want to say give up, but the time for groveling has already passed.
Right, right.
So
I mean, go
go
ahead.
ahead. No, you first. Go, Junior.
Now, yeah, I think if she asks for a divorce, if she wants a divorce, I think she already know ahead of time that this wasn't working out, And I think a lot of time, like I always tell Art, everybody goes on body chemistry, at the energy. If the energy is not there, you know what I mean?
Well, and the thing is let's just face it, as men, I can say this because we're all men, we're pretty stupid people. And and I mean, and the fact is that women, and again, I'm sorry for generalizing, but women tend to give really, they hint,
Yeah, they give the cues.
not too
Yeah.
many of them.
Mm-hmm.
They don't give like direct, honey, I'm unhappy.
Yeah.
They give hints,
Yeah.
and we're not that good at picking up hints.
Exactly.
And
Definitely.
and so women out there who are listening, stop giving hints. Just talk to us.
Yeah.
Men, open your eyes. Look for the hints. Look for the cues. Don't expect her to say, I'm unhappy.
Yeah. So
I look back on my own experience and I can see the hints, but I didn't see them at the time.
yeah, Tom, I feel like sometimes that they're also waiting it out. So I find that okay, let's look at a situation where she might want the divorce, but in the meantime, she's unsure where she's gonna go, right? To initially stay at first, what job or what's gonna happen with the kids. So I find sometimes that she might delay it just a little bit until until she's sure, certainty.
I couldn't agree more, except for the words "little bit." I think some
Yeah.
will delay for years.
Yeah.
Uh,
Right time.
and by the way, I don't blame them for that
I don't
because
either.
women have, unfortunately, some of them are in situations that they can't live on their own, and so they have to take however much time it is to prepare for the post-divorce life.
Exactly.
And maybe their husbands have kept them down, or maybe they, for whatever reason, they're not prepared to live on their own. And
Yeah. These are survival
so
tactics. And this is why
But
go ahead, Junior.
but also I think yes, but I think a lot of times females, women in general, they listen to outside friends, family, and sometimes they do have a good man, but because the family and the friend don't like them, they will start putting a lot of stuff in their head,
Yeah, that's true.
and I think a lot of times, they will go with it and they can't think. It's like a skill now,
Yeah.
up and down. Should I listen to them? Should I stay? Should I listen to them? And they get all confused,
Yeah.